What's up guys, it's me your Gmail. So here are the top 5 LG K8 case. Yes, top 5 LG K8 case. The one is, number 5 is from the Uncare beautiful simple case. And number four is from Teco, a simple beautiful looking case, can't get it better. It's a simple honeycomb case. And number three a rugged case which have a tire pattern. I love it. And number two, a simple classic case from Idea Line come with a free screen protector. And number one, my favorite, come with a screen protector also from Idea Line, but this come with a stand and then it have a belt holster. You can easily put on your belt. So these were the top 5 LG K8 case, and it was me, none other than Jimmy a Geek. Subscribe and bye.